Imagine a world where your IT systems predict issues before they arise. By 2025, AI will transform managed IT services, offering proactive solutions and optimizing resources autonomously. Are you ready for this revolution? AI and automation are reshaping industries, including managed IT services. Expect a shift towards AI-driven IT management, enhancing efficiency and providing proactive solutions. This transformation is not just a trend but a fundamental shift. Digital transformation demands efficient IT operations at lower costs. Automation minimizes manual intervention, enhancing decision-making in IT management. AI-driven systems will automate workflows, ensuring better uptime and predicting future issues. By 2025, managed IT services will focus on innovation and value creation. AI and automation will automate workflows, predict future issues, and ensure better system uptime, enhancing overall efficiency and effectiveness. AI will revolutionize threat detection and response, offering real-time solutions. Expect AI-driven security to automatically detect vulnerabilities and prevent cyber attacks, ensuring robust protection for your systems. Autonomous IT systems will manage updates and resource allocation without human intervention. By 2025, complete autonomous management of IT will become the norm, removing human dependency in day-to-day operations. Integrating AI requires overcoming technical and infrastructure challenges. Address employee concerns by highlighting automation's benefits and providing training. Ensure data privacy and ethical considerations are managed with strict protocols and audits. By embracing AI and automation, you'll enhance efficiency, security, and innovation in IT management. Partner with experts like Uprite IT Services to navigate this transformation. Let's shape the future of managed IT services together.